One of the most important functions of a CRM is to keep all of your borrower and partner information organized and accessible. Each client and partner you interact with needs to have detailed records kept for them, and each of your coworkers needs to be able to reference every new update. In the BNTouch mobile app, you can easily stay apprised of all of the latest changes to contact records in your databases using the Latest Events tracker. Here, every activity taken by CRM users is logged and dated, so you and your business can provide the best possible service to each of your clients. When you log into the BNTouch app, you can review tracker activity by swiping from left to right to open the menu. When you tap Latest Events, you will see a breakdown of recent changes made to your records. This history is shared between your mobile CRM and the web client version, so you can easily review conversations and track updates in each record's event tracker when you next access BNTouch on your computer. When you open the Latest Events section of the app, you will first see the most recent tracker events that have been created. These events are organized by time period, and you can view today, yesterday, 2 to 3 days ago, and more by tapping the tabs at the top of the screen. When you tap a category, all tracker events from that period that have been made on records that are assigned to you will display, starting with the most recent. You can view the event description, the date and time it was created, what type of CRM event it was, the client or partner record it was entered for, and the CRM user that performed it. You can scroll through the list by dragging up and down, and you can open any linked contact records by tapping the blue Record Links. In addition to organizing events by time period, you can also search for specific types of events using the filter icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Here, you can tap the blue fields to the right to only show tracker events of a specific type, made by a specific user, or entered within a particular date range. You can also enter search terms in the keyword field to only show events that contain those words. When you click the Apply button, the time period list will appear again, but only events that match the criteria you entered will be listed. Tracker events can be added to any client or partner record in your database whenever you are viewing records in your mobile app. If you are viewing any list of contact records, including the new records, last records, My Pipeline, or any search result, you can add tracker events to a record using the Actions icon to the right of the contact name. When you tap Add Tracker Note, you can enter a description, choose an event type from the drop-down menu, and choose which borrowers and partners to notify or share the update with. When you tap Save at the top of the screen, the note will be added to that record's tracker and the latest events list. You can also enter tracker events while working within a contact record in the BNTouch mobile app. While editing a client or partner record, tap the tracker icon at the bottom of the screen. You may need to use the arrow icons in the lower corners to navigate to the tracker section of a record. Here, you will see a list of recent tracker events for only this contact, and you can create new notes by tapping the Add Event button at the top of the screen. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.